let her press it to her. Is that Mitz? Is it your baby? Get him, Mitz. Jamie, put the light on there. Get him, Mitz. Get your baby. Atta girl. Where'd you go, Mitz? Wait, sit down. Tell her to give him a kiss. Sit. Sit down. Sit.
Sit. Give baby kiss. No.
Sit.
No, sit.
Nice.
No. Sit down. Nice. Sit. Stay. Stay.
Baby a kiss.
Stay.
No. Sit. Sit, Mitz. Come here. That's your baby. Sit. Sit.
Sit. Look at me. Look. No. Look at me.
Look at Daddy.
Nice. You stay.
Yes, oh, that's a good girl.
Nice. Mitzi, look. Look at Daddy. Look. Look, Mitz. Here's a real dog right there. Oh, hi, hon. There's a creep right there.
They're behind you.
Boomer. How many eggs are down there, Boomer? Mommy wants to know, sweetie. Mommy wants to know. You don't look very comfortable at all, Boomer. Oh, no hissing, no hissing. Get Boomer out, Spanky. Get Boomer out so Mommy can see the eggs. Spanky.
Hey, Chink. Chink. Don't poop, Chink.
Want me to get him to poop?
Chink, don't poop.
Hi, Doodle Bug. You want to poop for Mommy? Gonna poop for Mommy?
Where's all Wendy at?
Come here. Come here, Wendy. I see you on TV. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, hold her right up. Yeah, hold her right there. Stay there.
That's all.
Mommy's little girl.
What is not focusing in?
Like a back further.
Oh yeah, that's what it is. You're too close. No wonder. All right, there.
Mommy's little baby girl. It's the Irish.
There's the eggs. And there's the mom. There's Boomer. Hi, Boomer. Come here, Boom. Hi, Boomer. There's Boomer. There's Boomer, and there's her husband right there, Spanky. He's looking down at her. Back in, get your babies. Hurry up. Sarah's gonna go out and have a cigarette now.
I don't have any.
Sure.
What?
So, your dad can I borrow $2?
For what?
Just for anything, like $3.
For anything?